guys, it's Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Ford Ranger, stock number 6677. This ran from the 6th 2015 and the 4th 2022. There's a P4AT 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P4AT 2.4 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door curve. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl stereo, instrument cluster,